Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session we will see how to connecting the database. In our previous sessions we have observed that creating of the models, which is committing and migration of the databases, schemas and models. Now we will see how to interact with models to connecting to the database and loading and showing the model into the views. Okay, let's start the session. This is the page, the home page of the view of music app. Now I will add that function over here. For that we need to see this is the view page, and this is the model. The movie and songs are there here in our previous videos. You can see that if you want to know more. On views we need to import that model, which model we want to display, which is local. We have to specify that dot model, import the movie. Okay, this is the screen. This is the welcome page of music app. What we are seeing here, see that this is the welcome page of music app. See over here now. This is the index page, the home page. I am changing into the loading into that direct model. Okay, how the convenient we'll see here now. So simply I am designing here that the request, I am taking an object that is all movies equal to that movie model dot objects dot all. In the sense selfly we are taking as a load. HTML as a parameter I am declaring here for using the for loop. So I want to eliminate this, and I represent here that HTML tag would have an initial taking for movie. I want to list all the movies on the list of the albums and movies. I have to represent over here movie in all movies, where this object will acquire all the objects of the movies which are available in that particular table. It will get. I am iterating that for movie. Here I am preparing as a model of that URL pattern that equal to that you will see here that earlier URL over here, that music may have that movie ID. With the ID we will distinguish that songs and all the things. The same pattern I am taking over here, the URL music with the concatenation of the ID we have to display over here, str. The movie ID is an integer value. We have to change into string the movie ID. Here I am attaching to the HTML equal to, it's nothing but a href link href double quote hash, where you will represent over here in this place, double quote, single quote and single quote, concatenation of the URL here, and close the brace. Take a copy of this and also similarly close the href. copy and paste that URL. I'm taking one break line over here for the purpose of the list of the IDs may print one by one over here. Now let's see here, there is a space is required. Again here it is a space is required, and here it is a space is required. All you have to prepare a well clean design, and here there I'll give as an URL for the link, and here I'll give that title we will print over that movie.movie title I'm taking, and breaking for the next line response where I will print that HTML link over here. Alright, save it and let's come to the home page and click. Now enter it. See, instead of the welcome note page, it's taking 2 movie albums are available in my database. This is the hero and national. If I click the hero, it will comes to the error page. Let me check. Yeah, it's require the music, the slashes, one more slash is right. I will see that here. Yes, it's loaded. Now let's see the hero. If I click that, the details page is came, and if it is a national, the national page is came. All right, how? See, give you the explanation over here. I am importing that movie over here, and the index page I have modified with that collection of the objects from that all movies, from the movie, that model I have imported that creation of the object, and preparing that all the items I have prepared a list with that URL mapping, and written to the HTTP response based on the request with that ID that formed. This is a well cleaned form that all the things over here, and it will be displayed like a menu items wherever it will require. The national it will display over here. You'll see so simply on the menu it will be things. That's all. That must pretty very easy. In our next videos we will see how to clean design and the displays of the by using the templates and all many more things. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and avail more videos. Like, share and comment. If you are not like, please dislike even. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.